Hello teacher, hello guys, my name is Grabando. I am studying at the University of NAT. I am in the third semester, and in this occasion I'm going to share with you this question, that is, what are your hobbies? Okay, I'm going to start told you about two special hobbies that I have. The first is I like go to the gym, and the second is I like to study English. And okay, so I'm going to tell you the first part, that is I like go to the gym, yeah, because I like, or I have this passion a long time ago. I start to training when I have 20 years old. I see many results in my body because I was very skinny, and I like this hobby because it's important for my body. It's healthy. It's a passion that you can share with other peoples, and motivate to other peoples to training and change your life. It's a different style of the life. Okay, continue with the second part, that is I had other hobby, that is study English. Okay, it's not a hobby, but it's a goal. For me, it's a goal. But I think that study English and the gym is a good combination, because in these two hobbies you need to have discipline, constancy, and for you see results you need to prepare very well. Okay, for continue, I'm going to tell you about that I have other hobbies. For example, sometimes I like go to eat fast food with my family, and for example I like to eat a hamburger, pizza, but sometimes, not all times, sometimes, because it's not healthy all time to be eating fast food, yeah. Now I think that studying English is a good opportunity that have problems in my own life, and but I think that, say before, the English and go to the gym is the similar, because when you want to see progress, you need to improve day by day, and you need to be constancy, or you have constancy, because if you want to be results in the future, you need to have constancy in this part. Okay, this is my answer for the question. Thank you for attention, and see you in another occasion. Bye.